Welcome to our mega factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Lux Soap. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
The pure coconut oil is extracted carefully to preserve fragrance and quality.
Clarity dropping, adjusting valve 1. Temp is high, increasing flow. Stabilizing, monitor levels.
Every drop of oil is purified to ensure premium soap quality. Saponification transforms oils into silky smooth soap. Each batch is infused with signature scent for a luxurious experience. Cooling ensures the soap retains its luxurious feel. Every bar is precisely sized for premium packaging. Each bar gets its iconic branding with flawless precision. Every Lux soap bar is checked before leaving the factory. Our Lux soap is now ready for homes worldwide.
And that's how Lux Soap is made from coconuts, from start to finish.